is doing. Brother Sergeant, please come forward. Safdar Sahab, Shafi Sahab, mil karke. Big round of applause as we do the honors. Come, Raja Sahab. Prashant, come. Aruna ma'am, please come. Come on, louder, it can be. Yes. And as they all stand, I request, that's the thing. To hand it over. Yes, come on. A hospital is run by two people, primarily the director and the medical superintendent. My student, Dr. Ehsan, is right now the medical superintendent of Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences, the young and vibrant. I would request his director, Dr. Vimla Thomas, to put a shawl as appreciation for the kind of work which he is giving. A big round of applause for Dr. Ehsan Ahmad Khan. I would say a proud teacher standing next to him.
Behind every successful man, they say there is a woman. And Dr. Ashish के पीछे, जो आज ढाल बनकर खड़ी हैं, Dr. Sujya Chauhan. Can we request them to come onto the stage, please? उनके बिना ये प्रोग्राम अधूरा रह जाएगा. Can we have the honors to felicitate the lady behind the dynamic Dr. Ashish Chauhan? A dynamic lady who is an anesthetist by profession and never complains जब डॉक्टर आशीष सोशल सर्विस में लगे हुए होते हैं. She is always supportive, always telling her और करिए और करिए और करिए. Huge round of applause for Dr. Sujya, please. Can I request Madam Aruna to please felicitate her?
We are called that, what is a human? Human is a social animal. And I would want to say, there are few of us who are same in faith, and Christianity is all about cross. Cross is connecting you to God, the one, arrow. And then another thing is a horizontal, connecting to the people. A Christian and the one who believes in God and Allah does not get disconnected, and he works for the humanity, works for the society. 35 films and decade of glamorous world, the cinema, and he leaves that only and only to serve Christ. And finally, during the lockdown period, when there were people who were dying because of the hunger, Raja Hebel from his Raja Faith Ministries came forward and gave food and distributed to a couple of thousands and lakhs of people, and we have done it together. I am really happy to honor my beloved friend, my brother, Raja Hebels. Can we have a big round of applause for him? As we give the honors, I'll request Brother Sergeant, Safdar Sahab and Aruna Aunty to come forward and put a shawl around him and to hand over the token of our love. And as we do this, I call upon another young, dynamic dentist, Dr. Abhishek and Jawahar Kennedy, to come forward. This is what? Umesh sir and Prashant sir to be on the stage always. Yes. That side. We will be calling about all the awardees. We would want you to be ready as we call out your blessed name, because yes, your shining personality has to be here so that we don't lose the time. We call upon Dr. Abhishek, and as he gets the award, we would want you to recognize the kind of work Dr. Abhishek and Kennedy. He is again a social worker. He has something in his heart. He says, two CMCs rock. We are very blessed. The best private college private medical college in India is Christian Medical College in Vellore, and I'm very happy to be an alumnus from that institution. Number one, by 15 years, it's been the ranking which we are maintaining it. And yes, Kennedy has a heart to say, we need to have another CMC, that too in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And we all are dreaming and praying for that. And there are people who are working for it, and we believe that Allah will bless us with the same thing. We need support of all of you. And as we give the award to Abhishek and Kennedy, we request Aruna Auntie and Raja Hebel to come forward, Safdar Sahab and Brother Sajan to do the needful. Could you kindly, yeah. He's too tall, Raja, you need to be with him. We would want you to just take this and no, that one, click it properly. Next one. Whatever he says. Check. Thanks a lot. Thank you. We require the guest of